All right, back again. Danny. Just going to go on the roll. Probably kill this whole case himself, but there you go. Another one box break. This time is number 9. Same box as 1, 2, 3, 4. Generate 3. 1, 2, 3. Finally, we can get some on this side. There you go. Alright, guys. Well, we pulled some nice stuff. I mean, that clear was pretty cool. Pulled that cracked ice and stuff, but still no big rookie quarterbacks. You got to think there's one of them in here, right? Whether it's a Lamar, hopefully a Mayfield, or a Saquon Barkley like that, you know? I've seen Mayfield stuff is going ridiculous right now. Alright, let's do this, man. Kirk Benkert. $37.99, Myles Garrett. Alex Magoo, I think it is, right? Like that one guy, what is his name? On Instagram, he's so funny. He says Ripper Magoos. Wow, we got a dual autograph. Look at that, 82 of 99. Cortland Sutton. Who was the other one? Dante Pettis. There you go, Danny. We got a playoff ticket, 38 of 99, Kiki Kuti. He actually was a good player this year for the Houston Texans when all the red receivers got injured. Oh, look at this. Shaquem Griffin. Very nice. I'm not sure how many autographs that is, but I feel like there should be at least one more on this side. But if not, I may be mistaken. No, I think that was already 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, man. Nice box. That dual auto. Appreciate it, Danny.